चर्चे दुनिया में इसके यारों बैंड बम्पर है। कुएं में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर है। इसको जो चेज करता है यारों वो अनाड़ी है। ताऊ हमारा भाई
I can't believe this legendary moment for all of us to have you here, sir. What a pleasure.
Come on, guys!
India.
Show him some love!
Namaste. Sir, I'm going to ask you a question. You've been entertaining us since, wow, look at that power. I think you need a clap for the man. He is stunningly 63 and still raring to go. Sir, since you were 5, you've been acting in movies, but your parents called you Pow Pow. Why was that?
Because I was born like a 12 half pound. It's like a cannon. A Mandarin cannon is called Pow Pow. So this is why my nickname is called Pow Pow.
And then you got this whole thing called Jackie Chan. You've done so much in your life. Do you recommend everybody sitting here to do much more? Because you did 10 things and then you got to your aim in life.
I believe all of you, most, I think all watched my movie growing up, right? When your father take you see my movie, this day you should take your parents go to theater see my movie. And really, I know Indian people love me. I love India. You know, I come here for the film festival. I come here for the charity. I come here for making a movie. That's the second movie I make in India because I love you. Really, thank you.
I heard that Sonu Sood insisted that you dance. We know you're a fantastic singer, but how difficult is it to dance on a Hindi song? You've got to tell us.
For me, the beginning is difficult because they like this guy. The most difficult part is I cannot move my head. Can you move? Yes. Can you move? See? I said, in Indian, everybody knows, but me, I don't know how. That's the most difficult part. And later on, I tell the teacher, can you choreograph more easy one, just like before, like change libo, kai, and hit the ground. Because I believe there are so many people learn from me. I was right. After the song go to the internet, now the whole China, all the old lady and becoming exercise dance. Yeah, we have communication with India, Zumba. Yes.
And how do you rate Mr. Sonu Sood with action?
Tough. Because we learn martial art, after that we learn movie. In the movie we like pa 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 pa, and even the heat like it. See? When he boom, I said, slow down. No, when he fights, I said, no. Then after all my training, people teach you training how to stop, you know, and you look strong, but doesn't hurt. When it doesn't look strong, we both get hurt again. I said, you want to win a show? You want to show off? But he learns so quick. 1 week later, then he know the rhythm. He know the timing. Yeah.
I would like to say, to add to Jackie said, the day I landed in China, and the whole JC stunt team, which is the best in the world, every day they used to wake me about 5:30 in the morning, train me for 4-5 hours, and Jackie sir were always there to monitor it, that everything was going fine. I've done films in all the languages, but I think, of all the hard work or little whatever I've achieved in my life, I think this was my, final moment where I got a film with Jackie sir, and now Kung Fu Yoga is all set to release. So I think I've done my bit. I've done something good in life to be with him.
Hindi chini bhai bhai. Do you think you know that? You know what that means?
No.
It means Indian and Chinese are brothers.
Yes.
So can you repeat after me? Hindi chini
Hindi chini.
bhai bhai.
Bye bye. Hindi chini. Bye bye.
Hindi chini
Bye bye. Hindi chini. Bye bye. Hindi chini. Bye
Not
bye.
bye bye. Oh no. Bye bye. Yeah. All right. So Sonu, just so that I can ask you the legend. legend that he is, and now that Shilpa is here, let's get a pose of the Kung Fu and yoga. Aap kaun sa side? Yeah, she's the yoga master.
Oh, okay.
She's a queen
That's
of yoga.
easy. Look, you the yoga, I'm the kung fu. Kung fu yoga. He's kung fu yoga.
I don't know how is he going to do that pose. I have no idea. But let's see how you guys do it. Whoa! Super! So, Shilpa Shetty is known for her dazzling smile. We're going to ask you. You always smile when you're fighting. That's kind of.
I don't know why.
Is it
When
that-
I fight, I'm so happy, so excited. With all the people.
But are you sure it's not the pain? Ah.
Sometimes, like this kind of movie is like a Chinese family movie. You got to smiling.
Yes.
But my philosophy when I'm making a movie, after the movie is done, I talk to myself, can I show my children? If I can show my children, I can show whole world the children to see my movie.
Wow.
Yes.
Superb.
Also, sir, Also, what I've loved about his movies and how they are different from other action movies is that, correct me if I'm wrong, you never show that much blood. You actually never show blood in his movies. So that's where his films are set apart from the other action movies, and I think that's so amazing.
And Shilpa, I'll tell you, I was there on the sets. Every day we shot almost 60-70 days of action. So I was very keen. The first day we started, watching him perform action. So I was very keen to know how actually he does that so nicely. And he'll always come on the set that okay, tell me what you want to show me. So the whole JC stunt team, they have practiced some full action like this punch, this punch, this punch. So he'll come, no, I'll show you how to do. So in that small, those 2-3 punches, the trick he landed, like if he's, just hold for me. Yeah. So if he just, in Indian action movies like, Bishop, this way do it. He said, no, it's not like this way.
Speed!
Because when I create the action sequence, I create the rhythm first. So we write it down, ba 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 boom, ba boom. When you turn out the sound effect, then you still say pa 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 boom. If you just boom 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 boom, it's a bit boring and violent.
So your singing has helped you action.
Yeah, you fire like a dance. Yeah.
But I just love the fact that you have got this man. Can we please clap for Sonu Sood, one of the nicest human beings in my 15 years of radio career. I haven't met somebody as nice. And he keeps telling us about your niceness. You have a lot of lessons to teach India. And one is respecting women. We have a problem here. The women are doing too much yoga, but they're not doing enough kung fu. So you have to teach me a step for self-defense. Actually, both of us. I think we should learn one.
Teach us. We are your
So he's the
first
gunda,
students.
he's the villain.
Yeah.
And he is shadowing us.
Yes.
I'm not
So
a
now
villain.
ready?
I cannot be a villain.
If the bad guy coming,
Yes.
you just. then look, boom. Yeah, see if I don't click boom.
Keep your hands ready.
So it's all about
As
this
hard
thing.
as you can, boom. Then turn, run. Yes, and that moment he cannot see it. When they come in, boom, see, bam.
Well, if it's you doing it, then yes. But Shilpa, it was wonderful having you here.
Thank you.
I think the whole combination of Kung Fu Yoga is complete with you. Can you please clap for the lady and the lovely lady who joined us today? Shilpa, thank you.
I really believe. Sorry, I don't want to take too much time. I was telling Sonu that this is purely happened because of Sonu. I really believe that in life, if you really think about something from your heart, it does manifest. I really believe that I became an actor, and I have really had my fan moment. I've never been starstruck by anyone but Jackie Chan, and I got to, fulfill this dream. Thank you so much for making my dream come true. Really, thank you so much. This comes a lot of respect.